Understanding light and refreshing in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a delightful pair of words you might encounter in various contexts: light and refreshing. Understanding these terms can add a wonderful layer to your English vocabulary, especially when describing food, drinks, experiences, or even the weather. Let's explore what makes this phrase so vivid and how you can use it in your daily conversations. When we say something is light, we're often referring to something that is not heavy or dense. It can mean something that is easy to digest when talking about food, or something that is not burdensome or intensive. Refreshing, on the other hand, describes something that is pleasantly invigorating or revitalizing. It's that feeling of renewal or energy you might feel after a cool drink on a hot day or a brisk walk in the morning. Together, light and refreshing usually describes something that makes you feel good without weighing you down. It's often used to talk about food and drinks that are not too rich or heavy and leave you feeling energized or rejuvenated. But it's also applicable to experiences and sensations that uplift your spirit or mood. To fully grasp the phrase, light and refreshing, let's look at how it can be used in various scenarios. Food and drinks. A salad made with fresh greens, fruits, and a light vinaigrette dressing can be described as light and refreshing. The same goes for a cold glass of lemonade on a hot summer day. Weather. After several days of scorching heat, a cool breeze in the evening might feel light and refreshing. Experiences. A short, leisurely walk in the park, where you're surrounded by nature and can take a break from the hustle and bustle of daily life, can be a light and refreshing experience. Products. Certain skincare products, like a moisturizer with a light texture and a fresh scent, can also be described as light and refreshing. Understanding and using phrases like light and refreshing can greatly enrich your English communication. It allows you to convey more nuanced opinions and experiences. Whether you're describing a meal you enjoyed, sharing about a pleasant day out, or talking about a product you like, these words can help you express yourself more vividly and accurately. We hope this exploration of light and refreshing has added some vibrant new colors to your English vocabulary palette. Remember, the beauty of language learning lies in discovering the subtle nuances that allow you to express the full range of your experiences and emotions. Keep experimenting with new phrases and contexts, and see how they can make your conversations more engaging and expressive. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.